In this video, we are going to talk about how to make money on Amazon without selling anything. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Have you considered selling on Amazon, but have been put off by the prospect of having to come up with something to offer for sale? There are numerous opportunities to make money with Amazon, which brought in a whopping $178 billion in revenue in 2017. The belief that Amazon is too saturated and that you must sell your own products in order to make money is widespread, but this is simply not the case. People make money on Amazon without selling any of their own products, and we are going to show you 3 ways to do the same. Number 1. Amazon Affiliates. If you have an Amazon account, you are eligible to sign up for the Amazon Associates program and earn money by referring people to Amazon. The good news is that you can get started as soon as you want. Furthermore, you will not be required to pay a single cent in order to earn money as an Amazon affiliate. You can then sign up as an affiliate with Amazon once your account is up and running. In your capacity as an Amazon affiliate, you will be able to promote products from virtually any Amazon geographical location. When your account is ready, follow these steps to get started. 1. Start by going to the Amazon Associates homepage and clicking on Browse Products. 2. You will then be directed to a page that contains a product category drop-down menu. Choose a product category from the drop-down menu that appears. After that, decide which product you want to promote. 3. Then, to the right of the link, click Get Link. If you click on this, you will be directed to a page where you can customize and obtain the HTML code for the type of product link you wish to use. You have a choice between the following: text links or hyperlinks that appear in text. Text and images are both included. Only visuals are included. 4. Finally, copy the HTML code and paste it into a section of your blog or into a blog post on your blog. With Amazon's affiliate marketing program, you can earn a commission every time a customer purchases a product after clicking on one of your affiliate links. You will receive a fixed percentage of your commission, which is 4%. The catch is that you only have 3 months from the time you sign up for an affiliate account to make a purchase. If you fail to comply with Amazon's terms and conditions, your account will be terminated by the platform. Although it may seem impossible, if you follow your plan to the letter, it should not be impossible to earn your first commission within that time frame. In order to accomplish this, you must first identify the most effective Amazon product keywords that you can use to promote your site. Thanks to Longtail Pro, you won't have to worry about anything like that. Insert your seed keyword or the Amazon product that you want to promote on your blog into the appropriate field. Once this is done, the tool will extract hundreds of long-tail keywords that can be used to optimize your content. Beyond the search volume, Longtail Pro also provides you with information on the keyword competitiveness of each keyword. The lower the KC, the easier it is to rank for that keyword, and the more reason there is for you to use that keyword in your content marketing strategy. You can begin earning money as an Amazon affiliate right away. Be patient and continue to make improvements to your affiliate websites. A 4% commission isn't a lot of money. However, for a small investment of time and money, and the ability to promote an unlimited number of products on the world's largest online marketplace, you should be grateful that the opportunity has been presented. Longtail Pro can assist you in identifying low-hanging fruit keywords that you can use to optimize your blog or website, so that your affiliate links are prominently displayed. Number 2. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Then there's Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as Turk. It's a crowdsourcing service that allows you to earn money on Amazon without having to sell anything yourself. To begin earning money on Mechanical Turk, you must first register as a worker, which is also referred to as a Turker. You can earn a small payment by completing simple tasks known as HITs, human intelligence tasks. As a Turker, you can apply for the following HITs, which are listed below. Write Google search descriptions, conduct a Google search for a keyword phrase, copy the text as specified by the task, and paste it into the platform. Each task costs an average of 15 cents and can be completed in less than 20 seconds, making it a good value. Write brief transcripts. Transcribing a brief audio recording into words is a good exercise. You can earn $3 to $4 per hour, which includes the bonus, if you work for an hour. Participate in brief surveys and get paid for your time. For every 10 surveys you complete, you can expect to earn approximately $8. The most important thing to remember about being a Turker is that you must put in the effort in order to profit from the platform. And you can only accomplish this if you can stay in the zone for hours at a time and give your all to your tasks. You can make money from the comfort of your own home, in front of your computer. Turk is not a get-rich-quick scheme in the traditional sense. However, it is a dependable way to supplement your income. Amazon, a company with a laudable reputation, is the driving force behind this initiative. You will receive payment in the appropriate amount and at the appropriate time. Number 3. Amazon gift cards. The ability to earn Amazon gift cards is a way to make money on Amazon without having to sell products. Consider them to be entry tickets into a drawing for freebies. You can also use them to make purchases from well-known retailers such as Forever 21 and Starbucks. It is possible that they will not be convertible into cash. They do, however, function in the same way as cash. There are no expiration dates associated with these gift cards. And they are available in a variety of denominations ranging from $10 to $2,000. You can use them to make purchases of products that are sold on the Amazon website. Some of the ways you can earn Amazon gift cards are as follows. Participate in cashback and rewards programs such as MyPoints and Honey. Take surveys from sites such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, National Consumer Panel, and Global Test Market to earn points and cash rewards. Electronics and books can be traded in through the Amazon Trade-in Program and Listia. Sign up for referral programs such as Bloom, Personal Capital, Sum, and Ibotta to earn money for referring others. TripAdvisor is a website where you can book hotels and leave reviews. Perform simple tasks on InstaGC. You can use these gift cards in place of actual cash if you prefer. The importance of consistency cannot be overstated. It's possible that you won't earn a lot of points right away. However, if you participate in programs on a regular basis, you may be able to earn a significant number of points. In addition, by the end of the month, you will be able to exchange your points for gift cards. Keep an eye out for programs that provide gift cards to participants. There are many others besides the ones already mentioned. These are some strategies that can assist you in earning money on Amazon without having to sell anything. In addition, the amount of money you can earn is entirely up to you. However, it is critical to determine which of the 3 options is the most appropriate for you. Working as an Amazon affiliate is the best route to take if you want to build an online business and earn thousands of dollars from your website. Sign up for an Turk account if you enjoy working on small tasks and want to earn some extra money as a side hustle. If you want to make money from a variety of tasks that you can complete in your spare time, earning Amazon gift cards is the perfect opportunity for you. Please be patient. You are unlikely to make a lot of money in your first few months of business. However, if you stay the course and learn the ropes, you will reap the rewards of your efforts in due course. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know what you think in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.